What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Fantom. Quick update here. We're sitting at 34 cents, up 1.82 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 868 million. 24-hour volume 254 million. If you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. So let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So potentially one scenario that I'm looking at is we've completed a 5-wave move to the downside, and the bottom may be in for FTM. We've broken out of this falling wedge pattern. If that were to be the case, we have a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2, and potentially putting in a wave 3. Now we could be looking at extended wave 3 as we never reached the 1.618. And this impulsive move right here looks like a wave 1, and then we put in an ABC correction. And potentially what we're looking at now is that this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback. We come up, we break this high, put in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 of a larger wave 3. Now, if that were to play out, what you can do is take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top to the bottom of wave 2. And you can see the 1.618 extension would take you all the way up to 52 cents. You put in a wave 4 correction, and then you would put in a final wave 5, basically of the wave 3. I'm just going to take these Fibonacci's out. And then you'd be seeing a larger wave 3. So if that were to be the case, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here. Then what you'd be looking at is that this is a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. And then you'd be looking at a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, we're going to have to change this. Hold on a sec. I'll make this one minuscule. Change the color as well. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. So potentially what you're looking at is a wave 1, and we've met the wave 2 target. We've come down to the, let me open this up. Yeah, we came all the way down to the 0.5, which is a normal retracement for a wave 2. We come up, we break the high, and we put in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Just going to move these over a little bit here. To complete the wave 3 in white, within the wave 3, so then you'd be looking at extended wave 3, which is here in yellow, which is the larger wave where we come up wave 1, wave 2, pull back wave 3. That's the bullish scenario for Fantom. The bearish scenario is that we're putting in a double top, and then we come down and we lose this low, and you would see a larger break to the downside that would take you all the way down here to about 22 cents. Now we may just be going through a correction for FTM. There is an alternative wave count that I've been looking at here, where this is a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. All of this is a wave 3, and right now we're going through a corrective wave 4. Still looking for a wave 5 to the downside. Definitely watch this trend line of resistance. This could be where Fantom is looking to get to slowly but surely. Would come in at about 43 cents. We do have a little bit of a lopsided inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, potential head, and this would be a potential right shoulder. And if we drop in a neckline here, it's pretty ugly inverse head and shoulders. But we could give a breakout target. It's already started to break out. Yeah, basically it would take you up here to about 50 cents. So if this were to be a wave 4 pullback, then we can drop a fib retracement from the top of wave 2 all the way down. We already met the 236, the minimum target, and you can see 44 cents to 0.382 lines up with this trend line of resistance. So just keep that in mind, that this could be a bear market rally, and we could still see continuation and see a final wave 5 down for FTM. All right, guys, in the short term, if we do break this high, a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders, then what I'd be looking at is a wave 3 within the wave 3 within the wave 3. All right, guys, I hope that makes sense. If you're new to Elliott Wave, there's some great videos here on YouTube. But if we do come down, we lose these lows, then I'd just be looking at a correction, and that either the wave 3 is still in progress and we haven't completed this wave 2 pullback, or we come down, we lose these lows, and we go lower for FTM. But as of right now, we are creating a short-term uptrend. So if we can come up and break these highs, your next target for a wave 3 is up here at about 52 cents. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, we've been making some juicy profits. I'll throw some of the trades that are live right now up on the screen. And we've recently locked in gains for Gala, Ethereum, Matic. We've been making some juicy gains. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's coming in at 25 USD per month. You really can't beat it. A lot of channels charging 50, 100. Me, it's just 25 for my exact entries for my leverage trades, for my spot trades as well. And we have over 2,000 members in the Discord posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And you can sign up through the Patreon link. You can check out my full length tutorial over on Bybit if you want to trade with me. $4,500 in bonuses over there. That's where I do all my trading. You can follow me on IG if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.